Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Horak from BackLinker, and today I will show you what is email marketing. But just quickly before we started, if you like videos about marketing, business and entrepreneurship, please subscribe to this channel and like this video. So now when you establish this first, let's get into the video. So, what is email marketing? Email marketing, let me just show you a diagram. It starts with some kind of a landing page where you collect someone's email for example free report. And when you have his email or their email, you just send them emails to make them buy, which goes like this. You usually use some kind of autoresponder or automated responder to send them this, what is called an email sequence. Yeah, so yeah, so when we establish how this works, now we will dive into further more strategy. Okay, so let's go. So let's start with the landing page, which looks usually like this. You have a button, and then you have the text bar. Yep, just like that. So here there is some text, so this is how basic landing page looks like. So let's talk about some basics. So here you obviously need to this obviously needs to be connected to your autoresponder, and some basic rules. Your landing page needs to be explained in 20 seconds, and the people on it need to get it in 20 seconds. Then there is some paid, which is a free gift that you get when you enter your email address and click on the submit button. Yep, so just some talks to make landing pages are ClickFunnels and OptimizePress. Yep, so let's move on to the email sequence. Yep, so let's draw some basic email sequence. Okay, So, your email sequence should be designed to sell. So, I will just design a simple sequence that just like this. Okay, no. So, no. When we have our sequence, so this is what your autoresponder will send them. So, the delays should be 2 days between emails. Okay, keep that in mind. And now, how we actually structure this. So the first email should obviously welcome them and give them the gift. Then you should have value email, another value email, an email that tries to sell them something, then another value email, another value email, and then selling email. This so that is the basic structure, and this is how a sequence should be executed in 14 days or 2 weeks, because after 2 weeks they can stop being available to you, but also you can send to your list or the email that you got on the landing page one-time emails. And the tools for sending emails are, for example, GetResponse or MailChimp. Okay, so that is everything for the video. And now, if you already did it, then like and subscribe to this video and also share it. And if you are expert in email marketing, you might as well share some tips in the comment section. Okay, that's everything for today. Bye.